Yes, ready there? Is ready there? Yes, ready there? Is ready there?
Crouch down in the bushes outside your house. Let's see what you bout. All that running in your mouth. Talk is cheap, so time's ticking now. Bustin' right in your door. Don't need no C4. My foot shut and blow enough. Force for task. Forced to duck and cover and hit the floor. Raw smell of a carcass polluting my nostrils. By now I feel heartless. I'm tiptoeing on the wood floor. Pussy boy, you don't want war. Busted the door to the basement, I'm running straight down. Shells hit the floor, let me get the fuck down. Pussy getting up now, over 3 slugs to the front of his tummy. Tummy no tut, but his face looking fucked. Told him keep acting tough, this was his luck. I told her don't trust me, instead she would let me. She fell in my arms and she keep trying to hug me. But still, this place isn't safe, and still what I did wasn't great, but I can't change that, and fuck it, doesn't really matter anyways. But y'all always be the weird kid. Y'all always fucking steal shit. Yeah, I'd rather sit by myself, cause you're all just so fucking lame. You'd rather chase other chase checks, too fucking focused on fame. I don't know why you can't just be normal, just put a fucking bullet in your brain. You are fucking lame. You are fucking lame. You are fucking lame. You are fucking lame. You are the fucking same as everyone else. You're just another fucking sheep in the fucking herd, bitch.